Today I'm going to be tackling one of the deadliest threats to people who make stuff at home: solder fumes. As you already know, some solder fumes have lead in them, which is a no-no when it comes to brain development, I think, and it causes dementia, I think. I watched a video a few years ago and got this STL from it and printed it out. His version only used a carbon filter, and while that does work, my monkey brain cannot fathom the fact that the fumes are just filtered through, like they're just gone. I've taken his model and modified it a bit. First, I drew out what I wanted it to look like, then I created something completely different in Fusion, printed it out, then drowned and dried it, and now we have this awesome part to assemble. Here's what I have so far: a 12-inch PC fan. This takes 12 volts, so I got a 12-volt charger and a jack and put a switch in between them. A tube that goes out my window, conveniently opposite my desk. It has a slot for a carbon filter, which I will use if it doesn't reduce the suction too much. I put all these together and boom, let's test it out. I'm gonna put the tube outside and plug it in. Now when I turn it on, oh look, wow, my engineering degree is really paying off. Anyway, I'm gonna be live streaming myself assembling a flame punching device I've been working on. Oof. It'll be on the 14th of January. If you like that kind of stuff, tune in. Bye bye.